Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with me into our midst. And give him a resounding round of applause. I am very proud of him. He's been doing that for a very long time. Clap now. What's wrong with you? I'll get angry and go back home. Please honor him, honor him, honor him. Thank you very much. God will honor you too. You can have your seat. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Lagos State, I greet you. Thank you so very much for your prowess and your support in taking our very own state to another level. Because of time, I greet all the officers and officials. Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè a máa bá mi dúró tì wọ́n. Àwọn náà wọ́n dàbí ọgbọ́n in real estate o. Mo mọ̀ wọ́n dáadáa o. Kọ́lọ́n tó gbé mi lórí tẹ̀ èmi àti bàbá jọ fà dáadáa. Ẹ bá mi kí wọn dáadáa o. Well, my goodwill message. I am a very active participant in the real estate sector in Lagos State. All my formative years before becoming Ọọni of Ife, I thank God Almighty and particularly Lagos State for giving me that kind of platform. Every one of us, especially we Arauki people usually start from Ibadan. A little bit of portion of Ogun State, you know, we all came to Lagos with nothing and we have always been very successful and we all leave Lagos with a whole lot of things. I am a living example of that. So for everything I do, I will never forget Lagos State. This is Lagos. If truly you've been blessed in Lagos as a state, clap for this is Lagos. It's not only a state of blessing, a state of valor, and a state of immense opportunity. Clap one more time for Lagos. You know, I said earlier on that clap for my governor. I've known governor now for about maybe 15, 20 years, more than that. When I was a prince hustling in Lagos, today I see a very golden opportunity to say thank you to you, Excellency. Thank you so very much. One of my lowest moments in my life, in the course of my career, I was a very bold and a very young man, very fearless. I built an estate in Yaba in the midst of a land that is heterogeneous. Every square meter you meet a different soil profile. But a young man that came to Lagos with nothing, that came to just hustle and make something out of it. Every square meter of that land, you will meet a car, a Mercedes-Benz of 1910. It was a dump site. So I just jumped into that transaction with faith. We did all the things, did the piling, and we built 10, 9, and 11 floors. Completed the estate, and the estate started giving way. and we had to pull everything down. I nearly committed suicide, and I mean it. It was God that saved me, and people like Governor Sanwo-Olu. He was a commissioner then, and he gave me so much courage that you have tried, young man. Don't worry. Is what I believe in. I know about real estate and I know challenges. We will walk around it. We went to meet the governor then, Governor Fashola, and the governor said, "Are you this young man? What is your problem? Why are you so bold and you didn't go through all these things?" We went through all the paperwork and we realized we went through all what we're supposed to go through. But the land, a very heterogeneous land, at the end of the day, that thing became so much glorious for me. I had the opportunity to start a Luberin project, the reclamation, because it was another heterogeneous place. Everybody in Lagos, at some point when you used to pass that place, it was always full of stench, smelling. But now, if you go to Luberin, you will feel good and you will drive along that process. So for me, I am giving this goodwill message just to show appreciation to Lagos State, to show appreciation to officials of Lagos State, and particularly Governor Sanwo-Olu. Please, on standing again, give him another resounding round of applause. He's giving a lot of encouragement to a lot of young people. We became so close. We did a lot of good things together. Keep clapping, keep clapping, keep clapping. When he was at the helm of affairs in corporation, housing corporation too, clap now. Why now? What's wrong with you? Are you not proud of your governor? I am proud of him. You better clap. You don't know what future holds for you too. Continue to encourage young people. Continue to give them hope. Continue to give them life. May God bless you and bless Lagos State. Thank you very much.
As the Imperial Majesty has said, there is no more to say again, but to thank the governor for what he has been doing for the past so many years. As the Imperial Majesty has said, Mr. Governor, since he has been a commissioner in Lagos State, we've known his impact. Before becoming the governor, he has already built himself. So there is no surprise in anything he has been doing. And for Baba Kabesi Ileku, you know one thing, he is a very passionate person when it comes to real estate, as our Imperial Majesty said as well. Because if you could remember, there is no time to talk about buildings in Lagos that Kabesi won't have something to say or an action to take, which my good brother, our incoming Ọọni Ile-Ifẹ of Lagos can testify to. That is Bola Moki, because he always worked hand in hand with Kabesi. And Kabesi is so passionate about the buildings. He doesn't like, anytime you hear about a building being collapsed, he is not happy about it. And you can see that the governor and the Lagos entire team of the cabinet of our Lagos State government are doing a lot in Lagos. And Imperial Majesty, you said a lot for Lagos State. So we as Lagosians, we are proud that people come to Lagos with nothing and they go back with a lot. So clap again for Lagos State, as Kabesi said. We are passionate people. We are very loving people in Lagos. We accommodate. But don't take more than the space we give you. That is it. Echo will always be Echo, and Lagos will always be. We lead and what others follow. So, on behalf of His Royal Majesty, the Ileku, I thank the Ministry of Housing for holding this event. And Mr. Governor and our Deputy Governor as well, and the entire teams in the Cabinet of the State, will say thank you very much, and we wish you the best deliberation and the best for Lagos State. Thank you.